Come test drive the 2021 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.